Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we talk about this quick guide on setting up global email notification settings in Desk Director. Let's explore the key configurations that ensure seamless communication. Add a test receiver's email to BCC every email sent by our system. The server host is your Desk Director URL, essential for templates that use the Desk Director URL token. Choose a default email delivery account that can be updated anytime to suit your needs. Add a test receiver's email to BCC every email sent by our system. Enable auto login for client portal links, enhancing user access and convenience. Adjust the login token expiry time to match your security protocols. Manage file link expiry times for Desk Director's secure file storage. Use the adaptive card provider for actionable messages, adding functionality to your emails. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. These settings streamline your email notifications. Dive deeper into each feature in our admin console. Thank you for watching and optimizing with Desk Director.